वर्सेस दादो चुंगती, then Ashanton Numba versus Udik Negi, जो कि Muay Thai fight है. फिर Keto Siri versus Yunta Cambodia, जो कि co-main event, and then the main event Goodwin Ningshen versus Thor Burman. और अभी making his way to the cage, तादा तातू, जो कि ये fight को कल ही accept किया. वो रास्ता में था, बसरात आ रहा था, जब उसको कॉल आया कि एक पुल आउट हो गया ये फाइट में और हम लोग ओपोनेंट ढूंढ रहे हैं. तो आधा रास्ता में ये स्कूटी से आ रहा था, 7 घंटा का ट्रैवल करके आधा रास्ता में स्कूटी को रुकाया, एक फाइट को एक्सेप्ट किया और डायरेक्ट फेस ऑफ में आके अभी लड़ रहा है.
It takes a special breed of fighters to accept fight on a short notice. Even professional MMA fighters who fight in UFC don't take short notice fights in 10 days, 2 weeks, even a month's time. But this guy literally took a fight in one day, a couple of hours.
Not even one
day. So that says a lot about the kind of mentality that he brings to the game. You know that he's all in, all the way. Win, lose, all the way.
कल भी फेस ऑफ में जब दादा तातू फेस ऑफ में आया है, पूरा क्राउड इसको BMF बोल के चला रहा है. He is the BMF.
What is that?
Big money fight.
That is MF.
All right. We'll see how well that crowd reaction prediction works out. But I am happy to see that this guy has the ball, has the chance to take on such a short notice fight. Let's see what he does for us. And making his way to the ring now. His opponent, representing Tribe MMA. Local boy, good into his step. He will definitely have a lot of local support here. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Toki Darang.
टोकी दौरान भी ये फाइट को 10 days नोटिस पे लिया है. जो टोकी का टीम में कमिंग टाइम असल में ये यहाँ पे फाइट करना था, लेकिन कमिंग को नी इंजरी होने के कारण टोकी दौरान लास्ट मिनट 10 days में ये फाइट को लिया. दोनों शॉर्ट नोटिस फाइटर है. अभी देखा जाएगा ये दोनों का क्या ये लोग पहले से ट्रेनिंग कैंप में था या और ट्रेनिंग में भी इन लोग कितना एफर्ट डाल रहा था, आज हम लोग को पता चलेगा.
Toki Darang is a champion from the Delhi Open MMA tournament and is also champion from the KRNG MMA tournament. Lot of short notice fights happening.
I don't think I know that this is the first time अरुणा का सेमी को बाउट में अरुणाचल वर्सेस अरुणाचल हो रहा है. हम लोग का हमेशा पहले अरुणाचल वर्सेस बाउट का स्टेट होता था. Now we reach the point where आज के सेमी प्रो में अरुणाचल वर्सेस अरुणाचल कराना पड़ रहा है.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting our blue corner from two winners in strawweight category, weighing 52 kg. We have Adarabu, also known as the BMF. And fighting out of red corner from the Titan in strawweight category, weighing 52 kilograms. He is Toki
टोकी दारांग वर्सेस तादा तातू. ब्लू कॉर्नर में तादा तातू और रेड कॉर्नर में टोकी दारांग.
Big money fight apparently. Let's have a look. And here we go.
जैसे देख रहा है सेमी प्रो फाइट एमेचर फाइट से क्या डिफरेंस है कि शिन गार्ड नहीं होता है और रूल से थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है. नी टू द हेड अलाउड है. दोनों फाइटर एक दूसरा को रीड करने लगे.
Just trying to
Superman.
miss. Going at each other very strongly.
और एमेचर बाउट्स हम लोग का 3 मिनट्स का होता है, सेमी प्रो बाउट्स 4 मिनट्स होता है.
Tada Tadu, I really walk from the stage till the cage is one of the longest walks you can have.
Very true, very true.
And the other side, Harmoti में fight accept करके पासीघाट तक आना and scooty.
वो भी 7 hours scooty में.
Like you can make a movie out of it, like, oh, the mouth guard has come off. And apparently he didn't even get his mouth guard. He just bought the mouth guard. I think so.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not adjusted to his mouth as of yet.
आज ही माउथ गार्ड खरीदा है पासीघाट से. Nice takedown from Toki. तातू लेकिन बैक में जाने के लिए कर रहे हैं. हुक्स मिल गया तातू को. हुक्स मिल गया तातू को.
I think you can see the technical difference, the prowess, as soon as you move into the semi-pro division. You can see the technical prowess and the finesse.
टोकी का हाथ का वजह से तातू पीछे नहीं जा सक रहे तो लेकिन बढ़िया अपना उसका हुक को निकाल दिया टोकी.
There's a lot of technical stuff which is going on there between the fighters all the time, constantly, right?
हमेशा
I think there's like a trained eye is able to actually discern and see what's really happening there.
ओ जैसे आप देखा है हेड नी टू द हेड अलाउड है. अभी तातू एक नी हेड पे ट्राई किया. Oh, got the back, needs to put his hook in. तातू ट्राई कर रहे हुक को नहीं घुसने देने के लिए. नाइस डिफेंस तातू से. अभी निकल. वेरी नाइस. I'm impressed.
Yet another takedown by Darang. Still maintaining that advantage he has over Tatu.
वही देखना चाहते हैं हम भी कि तातू 1 डे में फाइट लिया है तो उसका स्टैमिना का इशू आएगा कि नहीं. स्टैमिना इशू आने से भी वो कितना खुद को पुश कर पाएगा. नाइस पुश ऑफ फ्रॉम तातू. लेकिन बैक दे रहा है. नाइस. अभी भी टोकी बैक जा सकता है अपना माथा को फ्री करके लेकिन he chooses to take him down instead. Nice. Smart grappling. आर्म बार के लिए जाने के लिए कर रहा है टोकी. आर्म बार के लिए जाने के लिए कर रहा है. ओह लेकिन फिर switches to the back. Wow. तातू. Nice.
Tatu in a really difficult position right now. Toki Darang has all the places to exploit it.
दोनों हुक्स भी मिल गया टोकी को. तातू लेकिन ये हिप ऊपर करके टोकी को नीचे करके अच्छा डिफेंड कर रहा है.
He's using the cage to his advantage.
Nice round. Nice round.
End of round 1.
First semi-pro bout का first round finish one.
Cornering Tatu, yeah, Konjavin. Konjavin is one of the best future prospects for MMA in India. Do watch out for this guy. And there's Mr. Nagi Singpo, the only pro MMA fighter from Arunachal Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, we are to the semi-pro rounds and we are just getting started.
Round number 2.
Can I add something?
Yes, please.
I'm expecting for an overhand right
From
Tadar. I
Okay.
don't know why. I feel like
let's see. Oh,
It's gonna come when it's gonna come. I have never seen his fights. I don't know how he is as a fighter, but that's that
Ooh, nice kick.
stiffness in the right hand. It's gonna come when it comes.
आपको आपको वो loaded लग रहा है
It
मतलब
looks like he's loading up for that, right?
हाँ,
Gotta be
shotgun
like
ready.
And look at the look in his eyes, you know, he's got this piercing gaze. He's like, I'm just looking for that one opening, man, and that's I think he says
Another.
got hit in the wrong place, really.
So what happens in a semi-pro fight? You don't have your shin guards. You don't really want to take any risk with your kicks, because once you miss it or once your kick gets checked, it's really painful, you know.
तातू फिर से ready है. Fight restart. Resume. Ooh, powerful
Beautiful
kick.
leg kick.
Oh, overhand,
Almost there.
overhand.
See, this is how it happens as a boxer when you load your hand, and when the fighter is above your height somewhere, even by a couple of inches, overhand right is the best thing you can do. But you have to measure the distance at the right. Hard body
Nice
kick.
kick. Knee और elbow का बीच से घुसा. Nice 1-2.
Toki Darang also has a beautiful boxing.
Oh, वो deep face में लगा.
The crowd is going crazy for Toki since he's a homegrown boy.
दोनों फाइटर एक दूसरा को बहुत रेस्पेक्ट कर रहा है. Again. I think कहीं ना कहीं टोकी भी ये किक से हेड किक वो सेटअप करने के लिए कर रहा है. Oh, that hook landed. Oh, that connected.
That heavy
Toki-
punch is gonna come sometime. And
Toki might be in trouble. Toki might be in trouble. Toki might be in trouble.
that's punches and bunches from Taratatu, and he takes him back to the ground.
Stayed back. He almost defended it. One day notice में आके second round knockout होने से. But good on Toki to come back. Rattled होके भी flurry of punches खा के भी Toki वापस अपना सेंस में आके सीधा शूट किया.
That knee to the back of the thigh is gonna hurt, you know. Especially when someone's putting his body weight on the person and gets the back of your thighs.
Very true.
He goes again.
That's a good game plan.
Tadar has been putting up a very front game, and the way Toki is trying to negate it by slowing down the pace of the game, getting all the points wherever he can. He's playing a very smart strategy. Both of the fighters have taken the game in the last moment, but the heart is showing, the skills are showing.
तातू वापस उठ गया लेकिन भी Oh, again, another takedown. कहीं ना कभी अभी तातू का स्टेमिना शायद थोड़ा जवाब देगा.
That's a very brutal position to be in.
Glove
Glove
came off.
That's the first.
Stop it.
The referee has to stop this for a while. Has to take a break.
Referee takes a pause.
Well, that's probably the first time this has happened in Akulto.
I think Toki
Toki
सोच
is-
रहा है कि हाँ.
That's been a misunderstanding by Toki.
Yes, it's not a end of the fight.
I think that's the first time a glove has come off, right?
Yeah.
I probably don't see that very often.
थोड़ा और taping process थोड़ा.
Yeah. Me personally, I'm up. I think Toki was probably under the impression that
So
he
this is not
won
the end of the
fight.
round, ladies and gentlemen. This is
Just like, we had to. Just with a lot of people around. Tadu's glove came off. It has to be retaped back again. And the fight resumed. So a little confusion about what really is happening. We're just resuming back to whatever time limit was left in the last round. It's not a fresh round. We're still in round 2, maybe with a minute and a half left, something of that sort.
Both fighters trying to play it safe.
Ooh, another nice inside kick.
If Tadar wants to capitalize, he needs to charge him right now.
और ये तोकी का इनसाइड लो किक्स भी देखो तातू का थाई को ऑलरेडी रेड कर चुका है.
So as you can see, the movements of Tatu is getting a little slower, little flat-footed at the moment.
ये राउंड में हम वो देखने में है.
And then a takedown by Tarang.
ये राउंड में तातू का स्टेमिना का हम लोग को असली टेस्ट देखने मिलेगा. लास्ट मिनट में फाइट लेके 4 मिनट 12 मिनट्स का फाइट
I mean,
क्या वो हैंडल कर पाएगा?
Very commendable considering how much amount of training it takes to even prepare for one fight.
Very true, exactly.
To take that, I mean, you have to be physically and mentally prepared for a fight, and to actually take up a fight when you're not at all thinking about fighting. That's a different level of courage, I guess.
Toki is playing it very smart. The way he's on top of Tadu.
He's actually placing his left hand on his head to keep him in position and punching him with his right.
He's putting him down, trying to exhaust it. And at the same time, the way he's placing his knees on top of Tadu, he's trying to hurt him in each and every way.
आप जैसे देख रहे हैं तोकी तातू का पाव को पकड़ के रख रहा था क्योंकि तातू को वही पाव चाहिए खड़ा होने के लिए और अगर तोकी वो पाव को पकड़ के रख रहे तो तातू खड़ा होने के लिए बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा था लेकिन अभी छोड़ दिया वो पाव को और अपना दूसरा पाव से कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं.
We always say there's so much of technical stuff that's happening in microseconds between the fighters, constantly adjusting and coming up with maneuvers to counter each other. You'll have to be in the game to know it technically how difficult this what seems effortless can actually be.
Very smart game plan from Toki. Last round में पूरा grappling से exhaust कराने के लिए कर रहा है अपना opponent को.
Is this the last round or is this left of what was on the second round?
This is the last
This is
round.
the last
This is the
round.
last
That's
round.
some brutal body
round.
punches.
Okay.
That's some brutal body punches.
I think Toki अभी कहीं ना कहीं दागिस्तानी handcuff जाने के लिए कर रहा था. तातू का स्टेमिना अभी टेस्ट हो रहा है.
मेरा तो मुंबंग वीडियो भी बन रहा है.
Very smart from Toki. उसको मालूम है कि तातू का स्टेमिना क्योंकि फुल कैंप में नहीं था तो कहीं ना कहीं वो कमी था उसमें.
Toki playing it smart and he's being dominant in all throughout this round.
There's
on the
nothing
ground.
wrong in that, by the way, taking advantage of your opponent's weakness or whatever, The fight game, everything may not be fair coming up to the fight, but once you're inside the cage, any advantage you can get, take it.
Last 10 seconds again. Oh, almost.
That hurts and
And that's
Time, that's it.
We have a fairly good idea about what the results may be like. I think this one pretty much Toki has very clear. Tadu scored. The fact is, I think the crowd is also unanimous in the fact that this match goes to Toki Dana.
Very smart play from from Toki Darang क्योंकि तातू लास्ट राउंड में उसका स्टेमिना का टेस्ट होना था और टोकी जरूर उसका टेस्ट किया है। लास्ट राउंड में पूरा उसको ग्रैपलिंग एग्जॉस्ट करा दिया।
That's why MMA is very different to any kind of martial arts that you take in. You have a lot of aspects to cover through, and the ground is one thing. If you don't have, stepping into MMA is real difficult.
Now we go to Cargo for the decision.
The results are in. The winner by unanimous decision, Toki Darang.
Always going to be at a slight disadvantage. Nonetheless, there is not to take away anything from the fantastic performance that Toki Darang put up. A well-deserved win. Excellent fight by both fighters.